How's it, everybody? My name is Ronnie. I'm from Kaneohe, Hawaii, on the island of Oahu. I just wanted to show you guys my 2018 GMC Sierra. This truck is lifted 8 inches with a Pro Comp complete lift kit. The Fox coilover reservoir shocks in front. And Fox shocks in the back. We also changed out the front grille. Added a few grill. Not bad. Also got the extended flares. Doesn't stick out too bad. Right, rims and tires. It's sitting on a 20 by 12 mono metal wheel with a 35 by 12 half tire, Pro Comp tire. We also added the amp step just for easier access. Comes out when you open the door. Close the door, goes right back up. Alright, big shout out to 4 Parts of Hawaii down in Waipahu. They did all the work on my truck. Couldn't be more happy in the way it turned out.